What does it mean to live a well-lived life? Is it to accumulate wealth, power, and prestige, or is it something more profound? Something that lies not in the external, but in the internal sphere of our existence? These are the questions that the ancient school of Stoicism sought to answer. Almost 23 centuries ago, in the bustling agora of Athens, a man named Zeno of Citium founded a philosophical tradition that would change the world. This was the birth of Stoicism, a philosophy deeply rooted in the pursuit of virtue and eudaimonia, the idea of a well-lived life. Stoicism, like a sturdy ship, navigated the tumultuous waters of ancient Greece and Rome, offering its adherents a way to find tranquility amidst the chaos. Stoics believed that a well-lived life was not about the accumulation of material possessions, but about the cultivation of virtue. They identified four cardinal virtues: wisdom, courage, temperance, and justice. To live in accordance with these virtues was to live in accordance with nature, a fundamental tenet of Stoicism. But what did it mean to live in accordance with nature? For Stoics, it meant recognizing that many things in life are beyond our control. Wealth, health, and pleasure are not inherently good or bad, but rather indifferent. They are material for virtue to act upon. This radical perspective offered a path to emotional resilience. A sage, the Stoics argued, would remain unswayed by fortune's fickle hand, finding happiness in virtue alone. Stoicism's influence was vast. It flourished throughout the Greek and Roman world until the 3rd century AD. Among its most notable followers was Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius, whose meditations provide a glimpse into the Stoic mind. However, the rise of Christianity as the state religion in the 4th century AD led to Stoicism's decline. Yet, like a phoenix rising from the ashes, Stoicism has experienced several revivals. The Renaissance saw the emergence of Neo-Stoicism, which sought to reconcile Stoic principles with Christian theology. In the contemporary era, we are witnessing a resurgence of interest in Stoic philosophy. Modern Stoicism offers timeless wisdom for today's world. It reminds us that while we cannot control many of the external circumstances of our lives, we can control our responses to them. It encourages us to focus on cultivating virtue and wisdom rather than chasing fleeting pleasures or material wealth. In a world characterized by constant change and uncertainty, Stoicism provides a compass to navigate life's storms. So, what does it mean to live a well-lived life? According to Stoicism, it is to live with virtue, to live in accordance with nature, and to find contentment within oneself. It is a message as relevant today as it was 23 centuries ago. No matter the era, the pursuit of a well-lived life remains a universal endeavor. A voiceover. If you've enjoyed this exploration into the wisdom of Stoicism and its relevance in the modern world, we encourage you to delve deeper. Start by giving this video a like and subscribing to our channel, where we continue to explore the philosophies that shape our lives. If Stoicism has resonated with you, or if you have any thoughts or experiences to share, please leave a comment below. Your insights enrich our community's understanding and appreciation of these timeless teachings. Thank you for watching, and remember, the pursuit of a well-lived life is a journey that we are all on together.